welcome back to Fast Money. As Bitcoin undergoes its worst two-day sell-off in 3 years, you may have noticed a resident crypto baller, BK, has not been on this desk all this week, and that sparked outrage from our Twitter followers. Cryptosis wrote to us, Brian Kelly, where are you at? Looking forward to some crypto sanity on Fast Money. That one actually isn't so bad. There's more, though. Sal tweeted to us yesterday, that is so pathetic, hiding like a child. Come on, man up. And then there's Shade Cloud, who wrote, what are you doing over there, BK? Did you break crypto? We want to let you know that we do read all of your tweets, nice and not so nice, some that we couldn't even include or say on the air. And for the record, the account is not run by an intern. So we decided to track down BK. Turns out he's not hiding at all. He's at a crypto conference in Switzerland, and he joins us now on the Fast Line. Hey, BK.
Hey, how are you? Good to hear from you.
Yeah, I can't imagine what it's like to be at a crypto conference with this massive sell-off going on across the board. You know, you've been a vocal bull on all things crypto, so we decided that we'd play a little buy, seller, hold with you, BK, if that's all right with you.
Let's do it.
All right. Actually, it's buy, sell, or HODL for this. Bitcoin, buy, sell, or HODL?
Oh, I bought them yesterday, so I'm a big buyer of Bitcoin here.
A big buyer. So at what level did you buy? You think we saw the worst of it in terms of this particular sell-off this time?
Yeah, I think so. So I bought at about 11,000 yesterday, so it was a little earlier. It was painful this morning watching it drop into the 9s. But the thing you have to remember about what's going on, these are regulatory changes. These aren't fundamental changes to the story behind Bitcoin. So, yes, it's painful. It's awful. It makes you want to throw up on your shoes, but those are the times to buy. So to me, that's why I bought yesterday.
All right, let's move on to some of your more exotic calls. Earlier this month, you showed everyone how to buy Ripple.
I did. I'm still holding Ripple from those levels, and I'm a hodler from here. I still think there's a lot of upside in 2018, particularly when some of these new pilots and deals start kicking in.
All right, so you're holding Ripple, even though it's down 50% since that time when you said, when you showed us how to buy Ripple. And by the way, for all you Twitter haters out, because I've been getting my fair share of this hate tweet.
Come on, now, that's not fair.
I'm just the messenger here. I'm just the messenger. BK was showing you how to buy Ripple. Not
telling you to.
There's a difference here.
Right.
Anyway, let's move on. Stellar. Just last week, Beeks, you said the coin was about to break out. Take a listen to this first.
Where do I think it can go on the upside here? Trading 55 to 60 cents would not surprise me to see this thing over $1, so a double, especially if they announce some kind of news or if anybody comes out and says, hey, we're going to start using this like MoneyGram is.
Stellar is down 35% since that call.
Not so
buy, sell, or HODL, BK.
So it's a painful hodl, but I stand by what I said a week ago. I still think there's a lot in this point. So hold.
Well, and lastly, BK, before we let you go, what is the environment like at this crypto conference in Switzerland? I mean, is there a fair amount of hand-wringing there, or is everybody just so such believers in this that they don't even care that this is going on?
Well, they certainly care, but I'm certainly in a crypto bubble here, and people believe in this technology and believe that the next 3 to 5 years is going to be the best time to invest in this. So there is not a ton of hand-wringing. It doesn't feel good, but the atmosphere is pretty good here.
All right. Beeks, thanks for phoning in from Switzerland. We do appreciate it. BK, once again, is not...
I'm bringing you all Toblerone.
Oh, I hope so. Yeah. We love those things. Triangular chocolates,
they're the best.
Crunches.
He better bring like a lot of them back. I know you probably explain. What is? Did I miss something? HODL? Is that?
HODL is hold because at one point in time somebody said just hold it, but misspelled hold.
They misspelled hold.
And
listen to the tunes too, guy. I mean, you've got a pretty extensive rap catalog.
Subreddit, sure he does. And a subreddit. My God.
What have you done during this crypto carnage?
You know, I'm kind of with BK. Listen, I've just stuck with the ones on Coinbase, and this is how I'm expressing a long-term bullish view. I understand the volatility, so I've been trading them too. But today I bought, or yesterday and today I bought Ethereum, and I had to average down a little bit, but it was also playing it the way I think you were playing the GBTC a little bit, just playing for a reversal.
How do you know when to cut your losses?
Well, I tell you, you have to have a stop in place, first of all, and then you have to be able to be disciplined around that. I think having a hard stop in place in something this volatile is suicide. I've been investing in emerging markets for a long time. Again, hard stops are, I think, get you in trouble on big days like today. You have to have a level that's a place to have a conversation. It's a place to have a sanity check. And you always should be investing as much as you're willing to lose, as we talked about, in the trading part of your portfolio, which to me is 2 to 5% of that which you're willing to trade actively.
And what was your sanity check on Ethereum?
Well, to me, Ethereum, first of all, my entry level is around 460. My view, like Dan's, is a very long-term one. I will just acknowledge that I think that this is a platform that continues to be at least a place for a lot of different decentralized platforms to operate. That alone, to me, is enough until I hear otherwise. And as best we can all do our fundamental research on this, it's still something to hold. The volatility, Brian said the fundamentals didn't change today. I do think that getting more regs involved does change the fundamentals. It doesn't necessarily change them for the worse. All
right, still ahead. Traders are piling into one beaten down Dow stock that's getting a boost on blockchain as well as AI. That's a culinary equivalent of MSG and sugar. We'll give you the name and how high the traders see it going when Fast Money returns.